Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how you can get leads from Apollo for very cheap. So first we are gonna build a list. We go to People's tab and then create a very basic list like email status and all, job titles, owner, founder, and then let's say industry be info. Yeah, this one, information technology. And then we get about like 170k leads, but obviously will further filter it down, so we will grab this link and go on to Apify, that is console.apify.com, and then we will search here for Apollo. You don't have to search it, in my case it's right over here, and then here you gonna see the scrape up to 50k leads one, and then you will paste your link over here and then put an amount of the leads that you want. Let's say I want 600 leads, and then make sure to turn on this clean output so that you don't get the extra unwanted info, and then save and start. I can't start right now because I have completed my monthly usage. So when you run it, it's gonna give you something like this. After it has scraped everything, you can just export it from here into CSV file, and then you can further verify it if you want to. And if you want to know how to do that, I will upload a second video about it. You can check that out. Thank you.